Hey everyone! In my last video I promised you all that I'll teach you how to make shadow theatre. So are you ready to learn? Let's go! So let us quickly arrange the things we require to make our shadow theatre. First we require a shoe box like this, or you can use a pizza box or mithai box too. You will need a white sheet like this or a tissue paper like this, either of this. A scale, pencil or a pen, knife or paper cutter, but be careful when you're using this. And a colorful sheet. It can be patterned or plain, whatever you have in your home. Let's start by cutting this flap out of this box. Okay, I'll use my knife to cut this portion off. Now from all these four corners we'll take a measurement of 1 centimeter. Okay, and join the dots together, make a straight line here. Now with this knife I'll cut this rectangle. Okay, now we'll get something like this, hollow like this. See, now we need to cut our white paper as per the size of this hollow rectangle. Okay, see, now we have our white paper as per the size of this box. Now we'll paste it around the edges with the glue. Sorry, I forgot to tell you about the glue in the beginning. Now our theatre is almost ready. See? But it's not looking pretty, right? So for making it pretty, I'll use this colorful sheet on the edges. Okay? Let me show you how. See, our theatre is ready. Can you see? Yeah. Now I can also give a name tag to the theatre so that you can write your name here. Let's see if it's running or not. So for making the characters for the theatre, I need one sheet of white paper, but make sure it is little thick. One skewer, you can use toothpick also, one scissor and one black marker to draw the pictures. See, I have drew this image, the water and a ship. Now you need to cut it very nicely from the edges, because in the theatre only the shadow will be visible, no color or no marking that what you have made. So if you cut it nicely with the edges, the picture will be very clear in the shadow. So my sea water is ready and my ship is ready too. I have attached the ship with the skewer so that I can move it around. So are you ready to sail the ship in the theatre? Let's do it! The main thing to use in shadow theatre is torch. So I've placed my foam torch behind the theatre. Can you see? I've used this much distance. Yeah. Now I will place the sea water, which has to be still because I need my ship to be moving. So can you see the sea water now? Now let's sail the ship. अगर मगर डोले नैया, भवर भवर जाए रे पानी. So, did you like my ship sailing? So this way you can make many characters, and if you want to make your character bigger, then you take the character towards the light. Now it has become bigger. And if you want to make it smaller, then you take it towards the theater. See, it has become small. I hope you all enjoyed this. Bye bye for now. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.